In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from a signature in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, transparent signature you can place on documents, images, or branding materials without any pesky white boxes around it. First, open Canva. You can use the website in a browser or the Canva app. Once you're in, click Create a Design to open a fresh canvas. A simple square or letter-sized canvas works well. Don't worry too much about the size right now. You can scale your signature later. It helps to keep the canvas background plain so you can clearly see what's being removed. Next, let's bring in your signature. Look to the left panel and click Uploads. Then choose Upload Files and select the image of your signature from your device. For best results, use a high-contrast image, dark ink on a light background, captured in good lighting or scanned. Formats like JPG or PNG are fine. Once the upload finishes, drag the signature onto the canvas and resize it so it's easy to work with. Center it if that helps you see everything clearly. Now click on the signature image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and options appear across the top toolbar. With the image selected, click Edit Image. This opens Canva's image editing tools. Find and click BG Remover. Canva will process the image for a few seconds. You'll see the background disappear automatically, leaving only your signature. If the result needs a touch-up, look for the Erase and Restore brushes within the Background Remover panel to clean stray edges or bring back parts of the signature that were accidentally removed. Small, careful strokes usually give the best precision. When you're happy with how it looks, click Apply to confirm the changes. This locks in the transparent cutout on the canvas. Time to download your transparent signature. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Set the file type to PNG. PNG supports transparency, which is exactly what we need for a clean overlay. If you see a transparent background option in the download settings, make sure it's turned on so your signature stays cut out when you export. Keep in mind that both the background remover and transparent downloads may require a Canva Pro plan or trial. That's it. Your signature is ready to use. You can now place it over documents, images, or graphics without any background. Save this project in Canva so you can quickly reuse or resize the signature whenever you need it.